Hello everyone, welcome to IdeaBox Creations. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can customize the WooCommerce default cart page with Elementor Page Builder. Before we can start, make sure you have these three plugins installed and activated on your website. First one is Elementor Page Builder, then the PowerPack add-on for Elementor Pro version, and the WooCommerce plugin. You can find links to all three plugins in the description down below. Let's jump into the customization. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages. Now look for the WooCommerce cart page and click on the edit button. Now once the page loads, we'll need to get rid of the default shortcode. For this, go to block options and click on remove shortcode. Now finally update the page. Now that we have removed the shortcode and updated the page, we can start customizing the page with Elementor Page Builder. For this, click on Edit with Elementor button to launch the editor. Since we have removed the shortcode, you won't see any elements here. So let's start by adding the WooCommerce cart widget. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the widget. That means PowerPack's WooCart. Simply drag and drop it on the page to add it, and it should look something like this. If you don't see a cart and if you see a message your cart is empty, go back to your shop page and add a few products so it will be displayed in the editor. You can add any random products to your cart, it just needs to have a few products so it can be displayed in the editor. So now that we have our cart in place, let's see how you can customize it. With the PowerPack Elements add-ons WooCart widget, you get multiple customizations for content and styling both. Let's start with the content options. The first one is the General tab. Here you can enable or disable cross-sells and can set the size of the thumbnails from the drop-down list. For this tutorial, I'm going to disable cross-sells. The next subsection is the order summary. Here you can change the text for the update cart button. You can simply type in the text for the new cart button and it will be reflected right away. For the coupon section, you can entirely disable or enable the coupon field, and if you want to change the coupon button text, you can do that too. For the total section or the table, you can change the section title, alignment, and for the update shipping buttons, you can change the text. And finally, for the checkout button, you can customize the text and the alignment easily. You also get a unique additional option which updates the cart automatically whenever there is a change in the product table. So if a customer adds or removes any products from the product table, they do not need to click on the update cart button. The cart will be updated automatically. And with that, we have covered every setting and option that lets you make content changes to your WooCommerce cart. Now let's go ahead and see all the styling options you get with the widget. Here you can make separate changes to headings, sections, cart table, update cart buttons, coupons, cart totals, checkout button, and return to shop button. Let's start with the heading customization. You can change the color and can adjust the typography for the headings. If you want to add or remove space from the other elements and headings, you can do that too. For all the different sections on the WooCommerce cart, you can customize the background color, padding and borders. Now for your products cart table that you have added for checking out, you can make changes to the section, table, table head, image, and quantity input individually. For all the elements that I've just listed, you can customize the text color, typography, background color, border radius, padding, etc. Here I'm making a few adjustments to the font and styling so that the overall theme of the cart matches with the overall layout of the website. All the options are pretty standard and you can make the changes according to your website's theme. If you want to follow along, you can pause the video and check out the options that I'm customizing and implement them accordingly. Now for the update cart button, you can customize the typography and make it match your website's theme. You can also customize the width, margin, background color, text color, border and border type. Further, you can also adjust the padding and box shadow for the button. Now next is the coupon code section. Here you can customize the entire section as well as make changes to the input field and the button separately. You can customize the typography, spacing, width, border color, text color for both the input field and the button. Now coming to the card total section, here you can customize the background type, background color, padding for the entire section. For the table, you can adjust the background type, border type and the border radius. For the table text and the table headings, you can customize the typography and the text color separately. Now coming to the CTA button, or the most important button of the card page, which is the proceed to checkout button. Here you can customize the typography, width, text color, background color, border, margin, padding and even the box shadow. Just like all the other elements, I am customizing it a bit to make it match the website's theme. Now lastly, you get to customize the last button on the page, which is return to shop button. Here you can customize the typography, width, border radius, text color, background, padding, etc. You can make any customizations to all the options that we recently covered, and once you are done, just click on the update button to make the changes live. This is what our custom designed WooCommerce cart looks like after making all those changes. Let me know what you think about the WooCart widget of PowerPack add-on for Elementor. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Elementor related content. Thank you for watching.